Welcome back. Here is Optimus Prime truck that I built. This is 1/12 scale, fits for the Action Force, G.I. Joe Classified, Star Wars Black Series, action figures. This is 3D printed with PLA Plus. The tires are printed in TPU, so it's a flexible material. This is painted with a clear coat, really cool metallic red and metallic blue. Really looks awesome in the lighting. And then this just opens right at the top. Your figures go inside there. This is on my website, 3dbeowulf.com. I only have one. I could make more. The figures are not included. They're just for display. Has a little storage in the back. I don't push this all the way down because I just don't want to scratch the paint. That's why there's a little bit of a gap. It would have no problem. It's just I don't want to have an issue forcing it open. Here is the front Optimus Prime. Talk about really cool. I am also gonna make these in O-ring size, so 1/18 scale. I have one printed. I just have to put it all together, paint it and stuff. But this is the truck. And then it can move. I really wouldn't do it, you know, the tires can move. I wouldn't be hardcore playing with something like this. It's just really cool display piece. And you can tell this looks just like Optimus Prime's legs with the white in the center. Looks really cool. And you can tell with the lighting, even with this lighting, this thing is changing colors in the lighting. As you can see, it is just super sharp paint job that I did on this. Really cool. The thing's big, so I'll pull a tape measure. It is, I think it's about 22, give or take. Let's say it's about 21 inches long. And then the height is, with the exhaust, it's like almost 12 inches, which is the top. It's 10 inches. It gives you an idea if you're buying this and where your shelf space is. And then the width is, I think it's like a little under 9, 8.5. Let's say 8.5. Yeah, so check this out, 3dbeowulf.com.